National Doctors Day. National Doctors Day is a day celebrated to recognize the contributions of physicians to individual lives and communities. The day may vary from nation to nation depending on the events of commemoration used to mark the day. Such as in Brazil, it is celebrated on October 18th, while in the US, it is celebrated on March 30. In India, the National Doctors Day is celebrated on July 1. The first ever Doctors Day was observed in the year 1933 on March 30 in the US state of Georgia. It was celebrated by sending a card to the physicians and placing flowers on the graves of dead doctors. The symbol of Doctors Day. The symbol of Doctors Day is a red carnation because the flower stands for love, charity, selflessness and sacrifice, traits that a doctor must hold. Why July 1 in India? National Doctors Day is celebrated on July 1 all across India to honor the legendary physician and the second Chief Minister of West Bengal, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was born on July 1, 1882 and died on the same date in 1962, aged 80 years. Dr. Roy was honored with the country's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna, on February 4, 1961. The celebration of Doctors' Day is an attempt to emphasize on the value of doctors in our lives and to offer them our respects by commemorating the birth and death anniversary of one of the greatest representatives. Contributions of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was a highly respected physician and a renowned freedom fighter. He was the second Chief Minister of Bengal and remained around 14 years in his post from 1948 until his death in 1962. He is also considered as the greatest architect of West Bengal. The 5 cities of West Bengal were also founded by him, namely Durgapur, Bidhannagar, Ashoknagar, Kalyani and Habra. He was also a member of Brahma Samaj. In the Medical College of Calcutta, he was the alumnus of University of Calcutta. In his memory, the Union government had also constituted an award. In 1928, he played an instrumental role in the establishment of Indian Medical Association (IMA) and also in the establishment of the Medical Council of India (MCI). Significance. Doctors' Day in India was established by the Government of India in 1991 to be recognized and celebrated every year on 1st of July to value doctors and their role in country's development. National Doctors' Day in India is a big awareness campaign offering great opportunities to all to get aware about the roles, importance and responsibilities of the doctors, as well as promote medical professionals to come closer and follow the responsibilities of their profession very dedicatedly. Celebrations. The day is celebrated both by the government and non-government healthcare organizations, which organize several events and activities on this day. For grand celebration on the Doctors' Day, Rotary Club of the North Calcutta and Northeast Calcutta Social and Welfare Organization organizes big events annually. Free medical checkup camps are organized at various healthcare centers and public places by healthcare organizations to promote quality medical services free of cost among the public. Various discussion programs are organized across the country to make people aware of health checkup, prevention, diagnosis, proper treatment of disease, etc. General screening test camps are also organized to assess the health status, health counseling, health nutrition talks, and chronic disease awareness among poor people and senior citizens. Several activities at schools and college levels are also organized to encourage youth to choose and dedicatedly follow the medical profession. Patients greet their doctors by distributing greeting cards, gifts, bouquet, etc.